vector equation of a straight line passing through two given points. Let capital O be the origin and points A and B be the given points with position vectors vector A and vector B. Now, let vector R be the position vector of any point P on the line passing through the points A and B. Therefore, now OA, vector OA is represented by vector A, vector OB is represented by vector B, and vector OP is represented by vector R. Now, since A, B and P are on the same line, you can just check a figure also. A, B and P are on the same line, therefore AP, vector AP and vector AB are collinear, or vector AP is equal to lambda vector AB, condition for the collinear points where lambda is a scalar. Now, representing AP, this becomes position vector of P minus position vector of A is equal to lambda with position vector of B minus position vector of A. Now, this becomes OP, vector OP minus vector OA is equal to lambda vector OB minus vector OA. Now, vector OP we have written, it is vector R minus vector A is equal to lambda vector B minus vector A, and this implies vector R is equal to vector A plus lambda vector B minus vector A. Hence, vector equation of a line passing through two given points is vector R is equal to vector A plus lambda vector B minus vector A.